So from Cotabato City, we are going again to Coronadal City, approximately 130 kilometers. So natapos na natin yung tricycle, yung pag-ayos ng tricycle. So we are going to Marbel para naman kunin yung Ninja 650 para ihatid sa Davao City for servicing. So let's go. Time is 8 o'clock. So ang departure time natin si 8 o'clock. 130 kilometers yung ating ita-travel. So let's go, go, go. Esteros Bridge, Cotabato City. Ang checkpoint na walang check. Approaching Tamuntaka Bridge. Alright, we are in Tamuntaka Bridge. Slow down, Iho. You're on the bridge. Checkpoint. Tamuntaka. Crossing Awang. Yang going to right papuntang ano yan, Cotabato City Airport, Awang Airport. 7, 6, wow, Spirit 150. Go, go, go. Bonbuyat. So bye bye Cotabato for now. See you again next time. Bye bye Cotabato. See you next time. We are in Dato Odin area, Dato Odin Municipality area. Ganda yung bundok to, no? Nasunod, akyat tayo dyan sa bundok na yan. Alamin natin anong pangalan yung bundok na yan. next time. Go, go, let's go. So it's 9 o'clock. So 1 hour ago na tayo na nagta-travel. So relax muna. Tayo muna. Time check, 9 o'clock. Tayo muna tayo. Tanggal helmet, tanggal ang balaklava para makarelax yung ano natin, yung ulo. So 1 hour gagawin natin every 1 hour relax, sandali. Mga siguro 2 to 3 minutes lang. Relax, tayo lang. Yan si Honda Beat natin, no. Honda Beat, hindi napapagod. Tayong napapagod. So it's 9:02 AM. So naka 2 minutes na tayo na rest. Tayo. Medyo naka-recover na yung ating puwet. So go na ulit. Hindi ko alam anong lugar to. So let's go na ulit. Hanap tayo ng maihian. Go. Welcome to Dato Unsay Municipality. We are in Sharif Agwak. Sharif Agwak Municipality. Okay. Sharif Agwak. Passing by Sharif Agwak. South Cotabato. Go. Yeah, we are now in Isulan, South Cotabato. Isulan na. Hanap muna tayo ng mawiwian. Sandali. So it's 9:56. Almost 1 hour na. 4 minutes na lang para mag-isang oras. So pahinga muna tayo sandali. Mga 5 minutes. let's take a rest 5 minutes after 1 hour, after again 1 hour of riding. Pahinga muna. Mag-message muna tayo sa ating commander. Merienda muna tayo ng bihon. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Isulan. Isulan. Yan si Honda Beat So bihon time. Prepare na para larga ulit. Hindi masyadong mainit, dim lang siya, makulimlim lang. Sana lang hindi uulan, lalo na pagpa Davao na tayo mamaya. Okay, let's go back to the road again. Going to Coronadal, South Cotabato, para kunin yung Ninja 650. Ihahatid natin sa Kawasaki, Davao City. Okay, let's go, let's go. Time check pala muna natin, 10:23. So mga 23 minutes tayo nag-relax doon, kumain ng bihon sa Isulan. Okay. We are in Takurong, South Cotabato. Time is 10:34 AM. Tayo. This is Takurong City. City na ito, Takurong City. Turn right tayo, going to Coronadal City. Okay, palapit na ng palapit. 10:37. Coronadal City. Speed limit 50 kph. 50 kph ang speed limit. Let's follow the rules. This is Coronadal City. We are now in Coronadal City Rotonda. We have to turn right. Pupunta tayo doon sa office, doon sa pharmacy nung kukunan natin ng Ninja 650. Esmaraa, Coronadal City. Here we are, arrived safely. Time check 11:11. Time check 11:11. So 3 hours and 11 minutes kasama ang pahinga. Kap na sinusundan natin, yan yung ano, yung may-ari ng, yung nagdadrive nandyan, yung may-ari ng Ninja 650. Yung Ninja 650 na dadali natin sa Davao for servicing. Mamaya makikita nyo yung kanyang Ninja 650 Kawasaki. Kawasaki Ninja 650.